sesibuyile futhi siyaphila ninjani lapho oy awe sibhizi lana sidingida udaba lwama foreign nationals okanye amazayizayi as called per ama locals and it's not a derogatory term Totarona nje igama elibi that's how itikitisa foreign nationals nokuthi babize ngalawa amanye amagama lawa owaziyo na so the bottom line is should they go vele or mele bahlale
mina from my point of view bafethu sanibonani bavukele bakhaya from my point of view ukuthi abahamba bafethu ne let them go so that we can start afresh so that we can start rebuilding ourselves from the scratch again because we never had time as South Africans ukuthi heal and then find ourselves. By the time siphuma apartheid they were already invading our country. They were already taking our jobs. You understand? So now I think it's about time now as our South Africans to find ourselves and find our like and find like our sexuality what are we as South Africans? We need our space in our land. We need the space because now laba they are killing us. First things first.
So they approach yakho ukuthi mabahambe ne mina ngifuna ukuthola wena ukuthi mawuzothi abahambe are we still like focusing on the illegal ones or bonke?
From my point of view, the ones who like abangene like illegally, those guys must go like seriously. Automatically they must go. Ne, nalaba amaphepha because nabo there are some people abanawo amaphepha thinking that ukuthi is banamaphepha but lawo amaphepha lawo bawathole ngendlela engekho
umthetho nana umdubulo
because kunabo suspect abashadile thina singazi nathi shadile mhlawumbe sithi soshada kuma home affairs but already ushadile nosibanibani awumazi lo muntu loyo uyayibona lento le uyenza imali memory la ngesibongo sami angaze ngamshano man sorry yayibona so labantu laba bafethu we never score bafethu because our crime is getting higher and higher. Like poverty is getting higher and higher. Even our clinics in fact they are getting fuller and fuller, you know, because of these people. And as South African, we get lack of services from all our things that MLS eat on because of these people. Uthi ufike clinic lapha ukhona umama wangaphandle waseZimbabwe lana abantwana bakhe abayi5.
Bayayisebenzisa phela abadlali
bona beyuzi lezi zinto thina esiyasebenzisa but manje egcineni bakawatha thina ngoba nathi masimele sizenza lezi zinto zethu asisakhona ukucwele bona lapho.
So way forward how do we deal with it here because mina ngiyakunderstand manje ukuthi mele sibakhiphe and the chances are when uthi mele sibakhiphe bonke because kana ukuthi nalabo banamaphepha some of them amaphepha abawabhadalile mabangawabhadalilanga lawo amaphepha lawo amaphepha bazikhandele bona because that's how cool they are nabo izinto nje ziblind
so manje most of the time mina into engibonayo ukuthi futhi lama politicians the way forward ufunayo man ukuthi we must deal with this in a civil manner yabo let us not kill them let us not destroy what they have created ne? But let us sincerely take them out in our country, you know. Maybe if they come back in the right way, they will receive their things back, you know.
Kanjani mfethu? Ufuna understand this because I would play like this thing about good cop, bad cop, na. Mina at this instant because we didn't find any foreign national up until Mara, up until Baze Baba call. I would think I would try not to say advocate for them, but try to represent them. I think it's not identity. Which one? La Baba corner should mean over hand and we're talking about people who have built businesses from scratch. It could be you go to them master in their art form, whether ukunda or lokushisela or whatever the woman that did. Would you lawyer I share their own to live? I need someone just because you're not wrong.
Yes, first of all, ungene kuleyo country leyo lento leyayenza yena there was a person doing that. I understand. Before he even came here. He came here and then defeated the person by doing a cheap labor. I understand. So a South African can never stand for a cheap labor.
Is it really cheap labor sibale at times or ukuthi nje thina masesiphethe kwesinye isikhathi siyahluleka ukuba humane nana because mangabe ukhumbula kahle back in the day wena sibale akusukuthi zasingekho itolo ne ama-tuck shop because kwabona nakithi ne bebakhona bekhona umagogo abo-style stuff mara asibuye nje for example njengayo Grootman Star would like open ngabo 11 even was that like good ethical way of doing business?
No.
So that's the very same trade right Capitec Capitec when it came into in this banking industry or banking business, they came in with cheap prices and convenient banking. I don't tell you which they're the first ones. Hopefully, I'm not banking weekend.
Okay, we are going to if bank easy, which way by crack, or if bank easy to be fraud, isn't it Capitec?
Yeah, it's a business model. A business model. When I get this one, a business model. It's you having a certain business and then deciding with how you're gonna go about it. As I was saying, with Logo Capitec when it's big business and then foreign nationals he's a bank because we call them umthetho was South Africa but when it comes to foreign investments and stuff Uti the business that is coming into South Africa must be at least worth about 5 million or they bring in the 5 million business and the mass one up many touch South Africans when it's a concern nge 5 million. No. So
so manje how many salons do we have in South Africa?
Maningi spa. Phela lento lemathe ukhumbula kahle nakathi sikhulumele livali ukuthi into njengabo skills academy sharp manje and into njengabo skills academy ekuyizona zona manje sesifundisa abantu into esifana njengabo hairdressing.
Yes,
that thing was around 10 years ago.
No.
10 years ago angifuna ukuthi 20 years ago 10 years ago besingazi ukuthi you can go to salon. But this is how people saw it. Okay, because these were the businesses reserved for South Africans. Because aboma salon, aboma tuck shop, they classified as informal business.
Yes.
So they are reserved.
And anyway, should have informal businesses brings in our millions.
Yeah,
But they are not useful to us because they are not registered under our South African system. I understand. So whatever money that they are doing, it goes directly to them.
Yeah.
I understand. That's whereby they are counting system economy. I understand. That's why I said to petrol bakupuga each and every year or every week. Because every time I man, they reserve it. It is a point when keep another man. Instead of which is more than about 10 so but they pass here even every day, even politicians, they even buy like shop they pay those people, not knowing very well who they are not qualified
Mikanda lakho Mozambique.
This guy, I need to mention. That's the problem.
When it comes to it,
that's the problem. I never saw any person Palama Akunda. If I knew which is Palama was Akunda, very well Palama. But now, a South African, a Petrucini, Akunda. It's very rare to see that. It's very rare to see that. When I come to Tina, we had the one that they came here in South Africa and they saw a loophole. Whereby ukuthi thina kunezinto esingafuni or asikhoni or asifuni ngathi asifuni ukuzenza like this simple things ukugunda umuntu ukuthengisa umshanyelo ukukhanda amabhafu lezo zinto lezo esimple lezo asifuni thina.
And which is what my man said ukuthi nalo mchisa nomunye ufikile ebayize rolling say minimum wage is 20 bucks. Can you work for 20 bucks?
Never.
Actually, ezinye zezinto mara nje ekugcineni kwawo konke thina sifuna umsebenzi o-grant, sifuna i-office job.
Kahle kahle thina ama-South Africans we are lazy on one thing. We want to put it
We are not lazy. We are not.
we are lazy. We are lazy. Let us admit. We are lazy, or we are lazy of thinking, or
Yeah,
something
we are
is
lazy to think.
something is missing in between, because we'll never be like I want to treat you so treat abantu abamnyama abafana nathi amashanga sorry I'm a foreign national. Hey, thina kahle thina sinona nini wena we fighting for us.
Yeah, but I have much.
Yes, okay. Why mina kuze kusuke izinto ezikanjalo, but like labantu baze bafike lana, they do all these things. Thina sifuna yini ukuthi sizenze, because kube labantu bathola thina si-stable as abo-Bangladesh or abebancane. India angeke, there's no need ukuthi India evule isitolo because iy'tolo ziningi. You understand?
Phela ukhumbule ukuthi lezi zinto lezo nakade zivele ngoba ekugcineni kwawo konke ne i-youth yalapha empoweriwe sibani. Anti-education system yabo, there's a type of education system enika umuntu i-skill, not just ukuthi uzoba ne-access yokufuna umsebenzi kabani kuyona disadvantage esibhekene nayo because umsebenzi or isikolo or the education system that we were given it is prepared ukuthi how can we go about ekutheni sibe ngabasebenzi, and manje abafuni ngalo msebenzi because la malupula otushileza boma-chip labor zonke lezi zinto lezo.
And which ukuthi lezi zinto lezi kahle kahle they were created by our politicians. Our system should has a big mess of a whole.
System ingaba right, human error. I would argue human error because ekugcineni kwawo konke umthetho uyabhalwa, policies ube right, ubonakala ukuthi uzoba correct. But like landelela or instill lowo mthetho loyo ebantwini bona they opt to which how can they monetize, how can they make money out of this thing, because ngitshela ukuthi ama-radio ngawo because i-AU there's a United Emirates. iNigeria kwayona manje isenkinga ngaleto leyo ukuthi abanye babo batholakala le bangama-Nigerian but batholakala ngama-passport eSouth Africa. Ethona into leyo futhi
passport, because uyakwazi ukuthi even why i-green pick or the card, you cannot just get the card. Uthola kanjani card?
Ikinga ilapha kude ile yangivele hayi ku-system, but the people that are actually applying the system yibo
yes, home affairs mfethu yona inkinga ngokuthini wena if you will never pay a person enough, that person will never work for you fully. You understand?
Home affairs, I think if home affairs were to be fixed, ama-police anawabhadalo nje imali yamampela yabona into leyo ezinye izinto lezo ezi-correct lezo simali yabo public sector, because yangidawo abantu laba abantu esilindele ukuthi bazosiza abantu because bobodokotela how do you expect to
Kolela labo bantu labo
bangakhona kahle umuntu esebhoda
yabona umuntu esebhoda yena umuntu obalulekile loyo muntu loyo kumele ahole mpela because bokucala ulapho urisk impilo yakhe first things first, akazi ukuthi yini into edibana nayo lapha uyohlala lapha urisk impilo yakhe ugijimisana nabantu ebusuku la abangena lapha, and abanye bakhona abangeni ngokuthi bazongena just ngoba bazofuna umsebenzi eSouth Africa, abanye bangena ngoba kunezinto abayithintayo abayiletha eSouth Africa. You understand into leyo? So mabangena kusho ukuthi even your life is in harm.
We have one size that's
because wena abana lento lena bazongena umvimbe, by that time bazothola into obvious uzokubulala lo muntu angene egedini,
and ukhumbule ukuthi lo muntu lona akatracing
awumazi ukuthi wakuphi,
akakushaya ukushayile makushiya ushiyile
manje basitshele nala ema-tavern abuhara kushangubuyele ekhaya.
yeah but lona sishama interview
sure bafethu sophinde sibuye kancane sisaya ku-break.
Keep it great.
Alright, bafethu bathi we are back again estrategini. Harare sekavumile ukhona bafethu nangu Harare. Sikhuluma ngale topic bafethu ama-foreign nationals sicela wona ukuthi asijikele eMzansi. Manje sibethu Harare la as a foreign national as introduce yena anitshele bafethu.
Ebona njalo mfethu ngegama lami uKomambela uTinashe Mtizwa le mara lava ngijele ngapha eStandard. Hey lento leyo ayisiphathanga grant manje ukuthi sibuyele emakhaya ngiyona nasifike nje sizozizamela uyabona sizamela impilo manje lana kufuneka amaphepha uyabona abanye banawo abanye abanawo ne amaphepha lamanye sinawo ilawe ukuthi nje sikhona kungena ngapha eMzansi mara awasivumeli ukuthi sisebenze uyabona. So manje masithi si apply ama work permit i-government yala eMzansi ayisavumi yabo. Yayilenye into isenza ukuthi singabi namaphepha aphelele yabo masila eMzansi.
So what you are trying to say ukuthi ban-createla something difficult ukuthi nize nikhona ukuba ama-citizen ase-South Africa. Not easy nje.
Yeah, it's not easy. Mara ucela ukuthi bebathi mawune permit le.
Yeah.
Wenze i5 years. Mawurenew futhi 5 or 2 years ne. Sibazokunikeza i-ID. Mara lokho vele abasakwenzi.
So manje wena Harare ufila kanjani because thina ama-South Africans esikhala man we don't have a problem nama outside foreigners ukuthi anamaphepha or are struggling to get papers but they are trying by all means ukuthi bathole le nto le to be legal in South Africa. Wathi thina we are against laba abangene illegally and then bese ba-create ama-crimes zonke lezi zinto lezo is unnecessary.
Yeah vele akukho mina lento yenza i-government mina ngibona ukuthi wrong i-right yona ngoba mina ngizofika lana ne or ngigange ngisebenzise igama lamanga yabona noma bala ngibopha manje ngizotshela angina ID angina passport yabona ngeke bazi ukuthi ngibobani yabona ngizosibiza nelinye igama nje lamanga yabona maybe la ngisuka khona futhi nasemakhaya maybe ngisuke vele ngibaleka futhi yabona. Yeah yona government i-right yo ukuthi sibe nemaphepha sibe safe.
Kwamanye mfethu lento le iyasikhawatsha sonke ezama-human. It's not ukuthi asithandi ukuthi nibe se-South Africa. Siyathanda ukuhlala nani as neighboring countries. But now our problem is that our crime is getting high. I understand. Our economy is falling. You okay, I understand. Because mind you, if you are not registered under South Africa or that means your money is not taxed. Yeah, I understand. So there is nothing that you are contributing to the South African nation. As an outside foreigner, that's what I'm paying for. Like I'm contributing to the South Africans.
Mara kuwe rati ya ukinisile lapu uti i-text na sina anti mani asivulela sibe ne permit or work permit anti maybe ngizovula i-business lami mangivula mangine permit ngiyakhona kuyovula i-account angithi mase ngivula i-account ne ngiyakhona ukwenza i-tax manje mangena i-account
imali ngikubuza la because into ekhulumayo i-right iqinise liphelele so ngithola la ukuthi uyawazi umthetho wokuthi wena kumele mawuzovula i-business South Africa. Are you aware ngomthetho in South Africa for someone who has to open a business? Because I understand ukuthi mawuthi work permit kuqala because angithi I'm listening yabo uyawakhuluma nge-right ukuthi government wona also complicated ekuthenini isithole ni-registered food.
Yes.
In a way ukuthi you do have a passport. Iyavumela ukuthi ungene of which we believe that it's 30 days. But within 20 something or what days up until you get that permit corner or a permit from your employer and stuff. And aware with your employer why one. Maybe cars with the cash kanjani wena Tinashe akhona uthando mfethu.
Alright, uyazi kuma kanjani mfethu mina mangibuye eZimbabwe kufanele ngibuye neskill sami mangiza ngapha eSouth Africa uyabona mina ngizobona manje amaphepha ngale eZimside ne maybe ngizobona ukwenza i-building kufanele ngibuye namaphepha amanye awuphelelanga ne mara manje ngiyenzela ekhaya ngibuye ne-skill mangifika la sengizo-apply i-permit ngoba mina ngibuye maybe as a bricklayer yabo kufanele uma ngizo-apply amanye amaphepha vele ngiya-apply zim-side uma ngizo-apply South African side yabo ngiyamthola
Sure.
yeah
Phela ngithi yazi why ngibuza kanje wena because ngokomthetho wasemzansi yeah for a business
yes
for a business to come and operate in South Africa it's either they come in to invest about 5 million or there's a buy business that is worth like 5 million. I'm not quite sure whoever knows that thing will usually fix it. So njengoba kuthiwa 5 million kanjani it's not just ukuthi uzosana business yakho bese operate kanjani sisiza nabafowethu uthi mase ikhona business kumele ikhanda umsebenzi
yes
for ama local
yeah
mara lokho akuvimbelwe nokuthi because le company i-company wena uyazi ukusebenza kanjani and inama department lawa dinga the skill so since this company that you bringing in something new and then you tend to put some permit I think the government angawakhiphi because you bringing in skill as excessive or as excessively because thiwa mangabe uzoletha skill uletha skill esinganazo
yes
and akusuka ukuthi abantu abavumelekanga beze
alright awuthi ngiphendula mfuthu angithi maybe mina ngibuya ne-company yami ngizovula i-company la e-South Africa asithi maybe kuleyo company izofuna abantu bawu-100 okay mara umthetho akuthi mina i-company yami mangila eMzansi maybe bazongivumela ukuthi kufanele ngibuye or nabantu bami baneskill bangaki or bawu-20 yabona banye bawu-80 bakuzoqasha abantu belocal akuthi kuba njani yeah manje mina nesinye isikhathi anisafuni ukuthi kube nabantu bangaphandle uyabona
inkinga manje yona mina into engiyibonayo and esenginotice kakhulu wena Harare you guys intend ukuthi mase izinto niyitholile ezinjengawo you are a bricklayer ne how many South Africans are you with owakha nabo lezi
uyabona ukuthi singasebenzi nabo labantu bala South Africa ungamqasha manje le umtshele ukuthi ndoda lana sizohola maybe mase siqedile or after 2 weeks uyabona manje ufuna ukuthi makaqeda manje ahole uyabona manje ahole futhi mangahola futhi namhlanje le uyophuza uyabona kusasa akasangeni so uyabona lento le yesikawada kakhulu futhi makafika emsebenzini uyabona uyakekeleza akasakhona ukusebenza uyabona wenza kancane uyabona uyakhathala uyabona manje noma bafuthi ubuyena undoda balambile la bayaphusha isipani uyabona
because yabo ukuthi inkinga iba kupha sowenza njalo because this is where the problem starts because yabo into isho i-valid because it's not like everyone kuba njalo yabo and akusiyo ama-South African angalenza ukuchaza of which what you say is actually true to a certain degree going down because vele yashaba now
and wena Thami abanye banalento leyo ukuthi mina will never work for a foreigner
and ukuthi yakho ukuthi lana akusikuthi who you working for all about getting your money because mangathi I check
and providing for
Africans that are actually pulling in izinto ezilekile abantu abanabantwana ubancane ukuthi bafambe enyanyi mina nomntwana bese
akhethi isipala
behave because ukuthi ukhethi umuntu usanatha ngazathi akana responsibility akana next nani hence kuba lula ukuthi attack because when a spot you would like that like amagigi mhlambe out 3 ngenyanga ethola into leyo shoot ngaleyo nyanga leyo I don't know how much you charge but for conversational sake 5,000 we have 15,000 ngalo msebenzi lo muntu ufuna ukunatha 15,000 njenga and he's not making that money
wena mostly no uthuna 50,000 uzophuza within a day
because inkinga khona la ukuthi ekugcineni wangu umthetho kumele uhlonishwe ngoba kuthiwa wasezim akusuka ukuthi awekho ama-South African amanye ama-Radian ama-foreign national abanye abantu
but mara bona they do
what umthetho
they are bending they follow their rules ukuthi yazi kanjani okay there was this one guy engibone evidweni yala South Africa ingale like eZimbabwe ne went to a clinic angaphethanga ID ne angaphethanga clinic card. He wanted to see ukuthi bazomsiza na ukuthi ID number yakhe uyayazi ngekhaya. So he used ngathi bangana in visa or passport. So wasebenzisa South African ID yabo yabona ukuthi bazomsiza. Actually they helped him cabanga. Bamthatha isibali bambhalela prescription wahamba uyolanda amaphilisi akhe waba-correct. They helped him to prove ukuthi ngale izinto bayakhona ukusiza like bayazenza sharp fine but nama South Africans asuke la ayangani. They never took izinto ezimbi zala eSouth Africa to eZimbabwe. Understand? Abaphulanga umthetho bangale eZimbabwe ngokomthetho. Yeah, understand that.
Manje yazisorry negative that nento ishilo Harare athi amanye amaphepha waphila. So how do you expect me to trust you? Half of Msebenzi. Yeah, we have a scheme and I told you so.
Uyabona masinga i-government mangasifumela si-apply ama-permit or ama-work permit singabe grant.
For what skills? Because when you understand, you have to think like good. Akusina inkinga futhi. Misunderstanding ibalaga. Every foreign nation afuna ukuba i-salon like.
Yes.
Yeah.
Or every foreign nation
ufuna ukwakha.
No, leyo kwakha mangatheche. Ibe ingenela ekutheni abantu umsebenzi. I-affected party ukuthi ngithathela abantu umsebenzi. Yeah, let's be real because angithi this is where we akhona ama-break. Yes. So why would you charge ship?
Alright, I didn't use
other people that are charging.
I would yabona na standard bakhona abantu bayakha.
Sure.
Bakhona na bangakanani abantu bala
That's why
bangakila abantu la eSouth Africa ba ama-bricklayer babona bayakha la elokishini.
Hey, Fatimba Harare.
There are many Harare. Even kuna programs enkolo whereby njenge-skills sinikeza abantwana abalangeni ama-opportunities ukuthi bafunde ukwakha bricklaying, plumbing, welding, all those things like that. So mina you guys malaphi okay as a South African mina mangizoza okay asithi ngifuna ukwakha
ngiyafuna
uthami bricklayer mangifika ngizoqala mhlambe kuthami ungangenzela malini i2 room ne thami athi 16,000 ne mangisuka kuthami ngiza kuwe Harare ungangenzela malini i2 room wena uzothi hayi 9,000 you see the difference so wena obvious mina ngizothenthwa yini
guys
uzoza kuwe kakhulu
and akusukuthi ngithethwa yini ngiyasave
I'm saving vele ngawe
mara ufuna ukuphendula ezingesinye isikhathi nothi ukuthi uyaseva ne mina uyamqasha lo lapha khakho maybe wena i-building ufuna ukuyenza ne ufuna ukuyenza within 2 months lo uzoyenza maybe 1 year yabo usebenza namhlanje maybe ubeke itina ziwu-5 or ziwu-4 uyashayisa yabo manje makufika thina into ngaphandle phela sifuna ukuthatha leyo mali siyisebenzise sishaya span masini
yabo so ushayile-ke umsebenzi
kuba smart futhi umsebenzi
no kodwa usitolowela phakathi
yebo lokubani
hayi akusiyayitana akusiyayitana sona akusimuweda naye mngawa
yabo lebantu
listen no angithi bheka yazi why ngisho nje this picture the thing is it's not about ukuthi vele mele ube quick ezinye zezinto zithatha isikhathi ukuthi zibe ngale ndlela le kufanele ukuthi zibe ngayo 20 grand and this person see more than what is the thing is ka njengoba unjani bengibile ukuthi uzothini ngani ufuna ukwakha khona semele kususwe something umuntu uzofuna ukucharge separate prices separate job uyifake izwa ukuthi mara yabo Harare bona
bayithatha bayifake ingane
of which it's still like being safe in mara ikawathile ne-business yamara
alright kusho ukuthi that's why vele nothi sibuyele emakhaya vele
mina futhi yazi mina ngikuphi mina ngitshela mina sibangifuna ngerussia mina ngithi umuntu makafikile eMzansi angafike ngokomthetho ukuthi permit awuyitholanga wena hala and manje ngibuyele ekhaya so that ingabi
nenkinga
yabo hamba already so yazi ukuthi sibani uzobuya kuphi ubani kanjani yini esenzile yini esenzile
yeah
if you think the foreign national izosuka le izoshaya high state South Africa, where do you think the foreign national gets the information? Ucala ubanikeza ubani le information yokuthi nazi izinto ilahlile
information isuka vele kulo muntu
onikeza labantu lento leyo.
Yes,
obvious ukuthi lawo bantu laba baboshwa kuzoba nzima ukuthi baboshwe bayiko kumele benzeni babuyiselwe emuva
uyabuselwe emuva
uyayibona lento leyo. Uzoboshwa lo uyayibona lento leyo bazoboshwa cause what unama-fingerprint akhe yonke into yakhe i-charged uyayibona lento leyo. But manje bazokhuluma ngomuntu ongene ngepontsho umthathe lo muntu lo umenzisa icrime amaphoyisa amazelaphi lo isystem amazelaphi
wena Harare ubona ama-South Africans wrong ukuthi-ke manje alwe manje ngalendlela alwa ngayo.
ya bona ba-right mara kufanele basebenzise imithetho angithi
nongawulandeli
angithi bakhona abantu bomthetho kufanele benze imisebenzi wabo angithi kunamaphoyisa mfethu wena ma ufuna ukuzenzela ingaphoyisa hambe uyo-aplaya imisebenzi kwiphoyisa usebenze nemthetho
phela le mashi okay
manje nina le niyazenzela yasibambele umthetho yakhona amaphoyisa
you were too protected than South Africa.
When you protected the South Africa,
abathathise abantu bangena amaphepha bawubuyisele emuva laba phelele njengoba manje wabona ma kuzoza wena ukuthi kunezimbi sebashaya
inkinga manje wena Harare
ama-foreign noma unamaphepha
okay bakhona abantu amaphepha lawo maphepha lawa khona amanye amafake atholakale ngendlela engesiyo
amanye abhadaliwe
emthethweni khona abanye abashadisiwe ama-South Africans ashadisiwe angazi ukuthi ashadisiwe
yangithi i-Home Affairs ukuthi ayizombuza nomuntu ukuthi uma ushadile izofuna ukubona ukuthi ushade nobani angithi nalowo muntu ushade naye kufanele bamthathe phela bakonfirme ukuthi vele uthathe ushade ngomthetho na makashadile angekho emthethweni vele bayakhansela i-ID yakho kuba brand kanjalo.
Siyosikhala ngalokho ukuthi sizothi thina unamaphepha kanti wena amaphepha wakho wathole ngaleyo ndlela leyo.
Angithi Home Affairs ikhona
yebo lento leyo. No, Home Affairs ngokuqala i-SPD because wena ukuthi uthole i-ID uthole Home Affairs.
Yeah, Home Affairs nayo vele izocheka vele angithi
amaphepha yini Home Affairs kanjani Home Affairs Home Affairs ukuthi wawona le-ID yoyiphela
mara yazi lesinye isikhathi ne kusuka vele ishadile kwamambela mara uyabazi bantu balaba
wena ushadile
kiyada maybe 2 years uyabona sesiyahlukana mara sidivozanga.
That's the problem ukuthi nina niyenzeni
noma kuwele into engayenzeka
iskema bo sespect iskema bo dadbethu
mara ngayiboni
mara because when you saying ukuthi okay ukuze ngene South Africa I need to find a South African woman and then marry her for 2 years and then after that ngiyamlahla. Then I have a South African citizen. Oh, marry her for 5 years with a South African citizenship. Then after that, that means when you were using her, you were never in love with her.
No, abantu beniyazi kanjani siyabathanda nisizwe yethu yonke nginga nina futhi unabantu lawo masesihlala nawo thina sijwayelanga ukuthi umfazi kufanele aye epartyini ayolala khona bekuseni yabona thina sijwayele ukuthi uma ushada umfazi njengoba thina emakhaya akaphumi ukuthi mina ngilele endlini yena aphume ahamba abuye kusasa ekuseni manje nina seni yakhona kubekezela intombi yakho ihambe lishadile ihambe iyophuza embaleni or ishaye 1 week iphuza lapho lalela ema-guest house ibuye futhi ize kuyo yabona lento le yasikhawadi yabona ngine sesiyaphuma endlini sesiyabashiya lesiye isikhathi labo sisibeni singashada manje kodwa sithenga istendi siyake umuzi mase ngicedile ukuya emuzi sewangixosha uyabona le kusho ukuthi nabo bayangisebenzisa labo sisibe ukuthi bakhona ukuthola umuzi umenzele konke uma umcela kumenzela konke uyakucosha so manje
Mara yini ndethu ayizile culture.
leyo mpilo leyo because mina azi what you guys did is in day one mina nifike la South Africa na abosisi bethu
You were drinking.
ne but not
Basithengela.
not in a such not in a way ukuthi kumele baze bakhuthuze ne mina you couldn't use the language of South Africans but you use the language of man
bona bafike nje ngabona ukuthi ngathi thina ngathi siyaphanda ngithi manje mama fika bacela something nyana kithi sibona
yabo that because
yasijwayelanga ukuncishana
most thina angithi manje thina amachita ababhaya ne as ama South Africans asisana asisipani asisebenzi ne but sithanda ukuphuza kusho ukuthi so kusho ukuthi asisakhona ukuthi thina senzeni si provide for these people because ngokuthini imisebenzi ayikho incane nangapha like our country has been flooded you understand into leyo abosesi bethu beza kini ngoba nabo balambile ne uyahanga nani nilambile you are here to work yabo kusho ukuthi nina no-Y2 nila nihlanganele lezi 2 eziro manje ekugcineni mina ibhazi ne nithi nifika etshwaleni thina sijwayele ukuthi bathengela 1-2 nyana biyazi baba grand mina manifika nidubula amahenisi nidubula
amakhole la ngifuna ukubuza khona mfethu wena uyabona nje ngwasila manje ngaphuma mina ngiyofuna isipani ngiyavuka ekseni ngiyofuna isipani ngenzeka ngasitholi mara kusasa ngiyaphinda ngiyozama futhi manje wena mawuphuma manje uyozama isipani or drop wena nje lento oyaziyo nje kuyofaka ama-CV ulinde ukuthi abantu bazongifonela yabona
procedure yalo
seyadlala endlini awusaphandi manje thina so uyabona manje ngawafaka ama-CV wami ngaphana ngabuya futhi endlini kusasa futhi ngivukele ngiye egoli ngiyozama imisebenzi manje mina niyavilapha kufuna umsebenzi
mara mamela
umsebenzi wena ukhona
in which indlela engisho wena usho ngathi umsebenzi ukhona ne alright fine but as a South African way for you to be employed ngendlela right uzokwazi ukuthi namo CCMA abo Department of Labor bakhona ukukulwela kumele ube ne-CV you understand so lo msebenzi ozowuthola wena ongadinganga CV ohambile wayofuna le awurayideki lo msebenzi loyo awunama rights kakhulu akekho umuntu ozokulwela noma bangaholela 10 rand you understand because awufaka CV awenzanga neza so i-CV is there ukuthi izoprotecta wena umchashe ngokomthetho you understand ngifonelwe nguwe ukuthi ngize la not ukuthi I came here to the door ngakokoda ngabheka for umsebenzi but ngifonelwe nguwe ukuthi ngize la ngizosebenza so ngize ngisebenze la ukuze ngibe under ama union nayo yonke lento you must have wonke ama details abo ngithi kuze ne-SARS naye akwazi ukudonsa emholweni wami kumele ngibe nani nama details yebo nto le because manje mawuthi abheka abo mamethu bebasebenza emakhishini isikhathi seba-apartheid nana basebenza ababilungu babarobha and then bangena umthetho wokuthi umuntu oyi-domestic worker kahle kahle kwamele ahole from 3,000 upwards because loyo muntu loyo uyasebenza umchashile ne uyakusebenzela so that means i-minimum wage of South African payments is 3,500 so that's the minimum wage ukuthi umuntu bamka so manje knowing ukuthi wena as a South African you are entitled ukuthi ungathola u-3,500 wena if wena wewe South African will you settle for less so like wena would you settle for less than 3,500 as a South African wena ukwazi umthetho wase South Africa like okay asithi ngale eZimbabwe ne basho kanjalo njengoba wena uwazi eZimbabwe you settle for umsebenzi ozokubhadala 1,500 kodwa umthetho wase Zimbabwe uthi kumele uhole 3,500 you will never settle for umsebenzi onjalo
vele ngeke ngize
uzokhala because wazi umthetho ophila ukuthi
kufanele ngithole imali ngakho
understand so you guys understand and know umthetho lo bona ngathi South Africans lazy asifuni ukusebenza asifuni ukwenza no thina sifuna ukuhola le mali esithenjiswe yona eyase South Africa.
Alright, ngiyakuzwa mfethu.
Hayi.
Futhi kaloku mina nithi sibuyele la.
Arabi ngiphinda futhi
Asakho.
Ya uqinisile ngoba. Uyasho mos ukuthi sibuyele emuva.
Asakho.
wena ufunani
Uzosebenza.
kanjani usebenza uyini lo msebenzi owenzayo ngoba South Africans ongakhona
Awenze wona.
Awenza. Ilo munye siwenza njengalokho yakho lonzima losindayo. Sibona nina ingathi niyahluleka.
yazi emayini abantu abasebenza emayini basebenza izindawo
Basebenza into esindayo nje.
ababhodi insime itag
Mara mningi mos umsebenzi.
ngizama ukuthi it's not a matter of power but I would say that because ngiyabona uyayithandela emzansi wena uyishaya you must find a way of working nazo lezi zinye eziclever nazo if it needs to banikele umsebenzi lo wazi ukuthi angeke uzobahluke
Yeah,
le umuntu okhole leyo mali leyo azoyithola kanani so that ngabe ukuthi aboharari bathatha umsebenzi
Mara yazi na umbuzo ukuthi ngizofuna le mzansi usenze la ungakhona unzima ukuthi ngiphendule. Akhona ama South African ase Simside. Bayasebenza. Mara mina ngize ngapha ngizoyenza ngizosebenza. Lo msebenzi uyenza nala bantu base South Africa mina ngikukhona ukuyenza uyenza uyabona le
uyakhona ukuwenza
angikhona ukuyenza mara bona bayakhona uyabona.
ama-skills bayanjalo
Yeah. Uyabona kunjalo.
so nawe kumele ulethe something
Kazi manje bona bayengale ngepermit.
Yebo.
Nawe kumele uze lapha.
Implement. Mina nisafuni ukuthi si-apply.
Somebody.
akusukuthi bane mina
Anisafuni. Ama standard.
Awungathola bakhona abantu ba-apply ama-permit 2012 2010 bane ama-permit bathi 5 years bayarenewa ne barenewa ngathi 2 years ne manje sebayasho nje bayahlala abantu bathi bazorenewa yabo mara le permit i-work permit kune-work permit le-study permit abantu abaya esikolweni yabona
Trevor Noah yazi ukuthi is a South African American
yeah
yakwaDo
yeah
iphelile inkontra yaphela kuye emzansi
so
Akaza ngokuvakasha
so wena uthi umsebenzi awusekho
no hayi ukuthi umsebenzi awusekho akasasebenzi akasanayo ipermit yabo akasekho umuntu ombhekhaya ayithatha ishot ayisekho iwekwile le ipermit yakhe so akasahlala akasanayo imvume yokuhlala elaleni e-USA or akanaso isizathu sokuhlala e-USA as much as ayilele citizen yabo
alright manje thina nithi sihamba kunamsebenzi la
no wena mongasenzi next yabo ukuthi ungatholi soganga ungayitholi songene elalengini adakwa lo mfo ade ukuthi ungayitholi so sekuthiwa abantu laba yibo abagangayo yibo labantu laba because mongana permit
yeah
mongana permit awunamsebenzi because umuntu obekumele advocate for permit especially work permit
yeah work permit
employer ane and makungasi employer lo school umntwana isikole kwesisho ukuthi yebo ufunda nani ethola into le and ukhumbule ukuthi kunabantu abase-university yes ababuya ngaphandle mina bengifuna ne-clever se-extract at some point basenzi
Usho ukuthi umuntu une-study permit.
study permit and ama-fees abo ayahlekisa ngoba they twice than yours kumele abhadale ama-visa kumele abhadale kumele abhadale and ama-fees akhe eshingazathi asidudla compared to ewakho kodwa makuphela isikhathi lesi uyahamba baningi mina ngazi abantu ngazi umuntu obuya eSweden ngazi umuntu obuya e-America ngazi umuntu obuya eLondon those are 3 different people
Mina yazi.
phele isikhathi babuye ekhaya
Mina I've got something to
so thina
ama-Zimbabwean I feel like ama-Zimbabwean ama-Botswana Malawi
Sunday
yeah the Southern asinakinga The problem with these fucking Nigerians, bro. You see Nigerians, I don't like Nigerians. I just don't like them. I just don't like Nigerians. Because I'm a Nigerians, even I'm a Pakistans, ne? I also don't like them because now what they are doing to us is like they are killing us inside. You understand? Abasibulala our physical thing. You understand? Yes, yabona babulala amandla ethu because amasunwane asithengisela ini ukudla. Hlangene bonke man. Uyakushaya. Yabona tele. Konke. So sabonga baba Harare.
Harare bafethu kubhizi uHarare. Harare sabonga thinashi. Asathola isipongo sakho ndoda. Mthizwa ne? Awe. Okay, uphumkiswa ubuyini, uphumkiswa amanzi. Stop ya.